This is XP Pen Artist 22, a second generation of drawing display tablet, and this is an amazing tool for any digital artist. So let's start. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to another Tuesday Tech episode. There are a bunch of drawing display tablets on the market: Huion, XP Pen, Artisul, Wacom, and so on and so forth. They have all amazing products, but the price range is different. This is XP Pen, a 22-inch, so it's amazing. This is the box of the product. As you can see, it's a big tablet with 21.5-inch diagonal of the display. It's here in front of me, if you can see it. And this one is meant for people on a budget but who want to have a good quality product with a good screen, good color reproduction, and so on and so forth. So this is a review of the tablet. So let me first show you what comes in the box. Okay, so obviously in the box we have the display tablet itself. It's 21.5-inch diagonal anti-glare screen, which is meant to prevent some harsh reflections from the windows, lamp, ceiling, and so on and so forth. And it's doing the job really, really good. I really like it. Then we have a cleaning cloth, which is really cool addition. If you want to clean your display from time to time, you need to do it. Then we have a must thing, and that's a 2-finger glove, as you can see right here. And this glove is meant for when you're drawing on a tablet, for your hand to really nicely glide over the surface without leaving some sweat on the tablet itself. So this is a must-have thing, and it's really great quality. I don't have any issue with this. I'm using it for a while and it's pretty good. Then obviously we have some cables included in the box, even more because the tablet is currently attached to the power supply. So I have this one for another outlet. This is not for my type of outlets. And also we have USB-C to USB-C type cable. Let's focus my camera, please focus. Okay, USB-C to USB-C if you want to connect to a MacBook Pro or other computers that have just USB-C to USB-C connection. That's great. And also another cable right here is HDMI, full HDMI to HDMI on my computer, and that's basically it. Also, there is a battery-free pen included. Obviously, without this, you cannot draw on a tablet. It has 2 customizable buttons, and as I already said, it's battery-free, so you don't need to worry about charging it. You just need to use it. And it has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees of tilt function, so you can use that if you want. And the pen came packed in this like a cigar case. It's inside, so you can carry it here, and another side of this is where the pins, the spare pins are, so if you need, you can use them too. The tablet itself comes with a stand already built in, so you can customize the angle of the tablet however you want with just this thing right here at the top, so you can put it really straight up if you want and use it like that. But this is not comfortable for drawing, so I like some lower angle like this. There are 5 different buttons at the upper right part of the tablet. One is for powering on and off the tablet, and other ones are for going into the menu and changing the settings here. The display resolution is 1920 by 1080, so it's full HD resolution. It's not 2K or 4K, which would be much better obviously, but for this price range this is really good. The contrast is 800/1 and the viewing angle is 178 degrees. In order to use the tablet you need to download the drivers and the software from the XP Pen website, and then you have all the options here to control the pen, to customize all the settings and so on and so forth. Right, now let me show you how this works in Photoshop with the pen pressure sensitivity. So the pen pressure sensitivity is amazing. It's really nice and smooth. As you can see, if you press harder, it will apply more pressure and thicker line. If you press lighter, you will have thinner lines and so on and so forth. This is really nice and smooth, no problems at all. Also, the straight lines, you can see they're really nice. Even if I go really slow diagonal, this is really nice, no issues at all. Also, if I delete this and go with other settings, with this type of pressure sensitivity, you will see that if I barely touch the screen, I barely apply the ink. If I press harder and harder, I will apply more and more ink here. So this thing is amazing for dodging and burning. It's something that I really love. So no issues at all with the screen, with the pen. Pressure sensitivity is amazing. And this is not a laminated display. At least I didn't find anywhere on a website that this is a laminated display, but it behaving like it's a laminated display. So laminated means that the distance between the tip of the pen and the screen itself is almost zero, so it's really, really tiny. But here is really, really nicely done, and I really love that. Okay, you now see the delay. That's a normal thing, but the distance between the pen and the screen is really nicely done. Another thing that I really like is the precision of the pen in the corners of the tablet. So sometimes on some tablets this is really bad, but on this one this is done really, really good. So I love that the pen is precise in no matter if you're writing on the corners or in the middle of the tablet. The display is really good, the color reproduction is really good too. It's not the best on the market, but considering this price range, it is really, really good. The color gamut, Adobe RGB is covered more than 90% and sRGB is more than 120%. Overall, this is amazing tablet for the money. Currently, the price is 419 yuan US dollars, but on XP Pen website, there is some kind of a discount. I don't know how long it would be, but it's 100 less, so it's 399 US dollars. You can find the links down there in the description. So overall, I don't have any kind of negatives to say about the tablet. I love how the pen works, how everything works really nice and smooth. I love the brightness of the display and so on and so forth. So maybe if I will be picking here, the negative thing would be that this is not a 4K display, but again, for this price range, I cannot say that. I cannot complain about that. So if you like the tablet and if you're considering purchasing one, check out the links down there in the description and enjoy the product. Right guys, that would be it for today. Have fun experiment and see you in the next one. Bye bye.